Hello and welcome to all. In this video, we'll examine if this product called Smart Blood Sugar delivers on its promises. Is it true that it does everything they say it does to reverse diabetes and return to a healthy and normal way of life? Will it satisfy our sugar cravings? Will it make our bodies stop manufacturing too much insulin? And what are the product's benefits and disadvantages, as well as any precautions or side effects? Let's get started. Here, as the author indicated, no dietary restrictions. No ridiculous workout routine. How a 59-year-old diabetic man reduced his fasting blood sugar by 80 points in a matter of hours. He stopped taking insulin for good 3 days later. Let's see whether those are genuine and if they work. Here is the story of 59-year-old John, who is suffering from organ failure. This tells how he followed a diabetes reversal diet and went from losing hope in life to regaining it when his blood sugar plummeted 80 points, and it's a true story. Yes, this Smart Blood Sugar program works, and let's see if they're having a 100% risk-free usage of this program. Yes. They also provide a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now we don't have to worry since we can use this program for 58 days and receive a refund on the 59th day. That seems weird, but don't do it. If it works, keep it. If it doesn't, you can get a refund. But here it works 100% for all for real. Now, we'll look at the benefits and drawbacks of this scheme. Yes, it works flawlessly, and no complaints.